Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Promethean ActivPanel LE 75-inch interactive display. I've looked through the internet, checked professional feedback, educator experiences, and feature comparisons, and I want to help you decide whether this display is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first thing that immediately stands out is the size. A 75-inch screen gives you a huge collaborative workspace that can be clearly seen from across a classroom or conference room. Combined with the 4K UHD resolution, text remains sharp, diagrams are easy to read, and presentations look professional even when displayed at large sizes. This is important because interactive displays often become the focal point of a room, and clarity directly impacts productivity and engagement. What really makes the ActivPanel LE different from a standard television is the interactive whiteboard functionality. Instead of simply displaying content, it allows users to write, annotate, draw, and interact directly with what's on the screen. In educational environments, this creates a much more engaging learning experience compared to traditional projectors or static displays. Teachers can annotate lessons in real time, while students can participate directly at the screen. For business users, the same technology translates into better collaboration. Teams can brainstorm, mark up presentations, review designs, and interact with content naturally. As hybrid work and digital collaboration continue to grow, interactive displays like this have become increasingly valuable tools rather than luxury additions. Another major advantage is the built-in Android operating system. This allows the display to function independently without constantly requiring an attached computer. Users can access apps, documents, presentations, cloud services, and collaboration tools directly from the display. This not only simplifies setup, but also reduces dependency on external hardware for everyday tasks. One of the most important features for modern educational institutions is EDLA certification. This certification provides improved access to Google's ecosystem and helps ensure compatibility with many of the services and applications that schools and organizations already rely on. For administrators and IT departments, this can make deployment and management much easier compared to systems with limited software compatibility. Performance-wise, the ActivPanel LE is designed around responsiveness and reliability. Touch interaction feels natural, and multiple users can interact with the display simultaneously depending on the software being used. This creates a more dynamic environment where collaboration feels immediate rather than forced. The 4K panel itself delivers strong image quality with vibrant colors and excellent detail. Whether displaying educational content, spreadsheets, videos, diagrams, or presentations, the visual experience remains crisp and professional. For schools upgrading from older projector-based systems, the difference in clarity can be dramatic. Another area where Promethean adds value is support. The included 3-year on-site support package is particularly important for schools and businesses where downtime can disrupt operations. Professional support and service coverage help justify the investment by providing peace of mind and reducing maintenance concerns. When looking at feedback from educators and business users, one common theme is ease of adoption. Interactive displays can sometimes be intimidating for staff who are used to traditional whiteboards, but the ActivPanel platform generally receives positive comments for its user-friendly experience and straightforward learning curve. Of course, there are some considerations before buying. This is not a consumer entertainment display. The price is significantly higher than a standard 75-inch television because you're paying for interactivity, software integration, collaboration tools, and professional support. Organizations that only need a large display for presentations may not fully utilize everything this panel offers. After reviewing the specifications, user feedback, and intended use cases, my conclusion is pretty straightforward. The Promethean ActivPanel LE 75-inch is a powerful and highly capable interactive display designed to enhance collaboration, engagement, and productivity in educational and professional environments. So should you buy it? If you're a school, university, training center, or business looking for a modern interactive display that combines a large 4K screen with powerful collaboration features, then yes, this is absolutely worth considering. However, if you simply need a large screen for displaying content without interactive functionality, there are more affordable alternatives available. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more technology and professional equipment reviews. I'll see you in the next one.